Hello students, welcome to the e-learning class of computer. I am Snigdha, your computer teacher. In previous class, I have told you about the while loop statement, right? And two programs also we have seen in practical. I hope all of you have read this while loop and done this while loop programs in your computer. If there is any without any hesitation, if there is any doubt, any problem in while loop statement, then without any hesitation you ask me in comment box in WhatsApp. Okay, so I will reply that. I will clear your doubts. Okay, so today let's start about the do while loop statement. Okay, so do while loop statement, this is very similar to while loop statement, but the main difference, only the difference between these two is while loop statement, first it will check for the condition and then it will go to the loop. Means what? Then the loop block of a statement will execute, whereas in do while loop the block of a statement will at least execute once and then it will check for condition. Understand the difference between these two? While loop statement, if first it will check for the condition, if the condition is true, if it will meet the condition, then it will come to the loop, come inside the loop. That means the block of statement will execute. But in case of do while statement, first the block of statement will execute once, then it will check for the condition. This is the difference. Otherwise both are similar. After that means do while loop, after that it will check the condition, and if the condition is true, then again it will that means the block of statement will repeat. Okay, so this ensures the code is executed at least once time and the statement executes the code further as it proceeds to check the available condition at the bottom of the loop. Okay, here the condition is stated at the bottom of the loop. The syntax of this do while loop statement is first do, then curly braces start, then you write the block of statement, then incrementation, close the curly braces, okay, and then you will write while and then condition. Understand? First you have to write do, then curly braces, then block of statement, then incrementation, close the curly braces. After that you will write while and then condition. Whereas we have seen in previous while loop condition, first while condition and then curly braces, and then you have to write the block of statement, incrementation, close the loop, right? So this is the difference between these two. Just for example of do while loop, here in a given code in your book, the one program is given. The integer variable a is assigned with the value 10. That means int a equal to 10. A do while statement includes the loop condition to ensure repeated execution of the code. Hence, the value of the variable is displayed every time the code is expected, since the variable value increased by 1 each time. The code will only stop once the integer value reaches to 19, as the given condition is a less than, that means the condition is a less than 20 or a less than equal to 19. In both ways this condition you can write while a A is the variable name. A is less than 20 or less than equal to 19. Okay, that means now what will be your program? First you have to write has include istream.h and then int main. After that do, then curly braces, int a equal to 10. No, assign the value 10. So a equal to 10. After that less than 20 it has given. That means you have to display the value of a. So see out the value of a in within inverted comma, then a, the value of a equal to, close the inverted comma and then double less than sign and then a, then endl for going to the next line. It will move to the next line. Then come to the next line and incrementation now you have to go. So a equal to a plus 1. That means each and every time it will increase by 1. Okay, so first it will 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, 14, 15, like this it will increase up to where? Until it will reach to 19. That means less than 20 or equal to 19. So close the curly braces after incrementation and then you write down while a less than 20 or while a less than equal to 19. Okay, so this will be your program. Now the output of this program, what will be? The output will be the value of a equal to, initially you have done 10, so the value of a equal to 10. It will come to the next line, the value of a equal to 11, 12, 13, then come to the next line 14, 15, 16 and then 17, 18 and 19. It will reach to 19. After that it will stop because next time it will come to the 20 where the condition will be false, right? So up to 19 the statement will execute. Is it clear? When you will do a practical, then you can understand. I will show you also in practical next day. So that's all for today. You read this do while loop thoroughly and try to understand. If any problem or any doubt in do while loop statement or while loop statement, then you ask me in comment box. Once again I am telling you, you ask me in comment box, I will clear your problems. Okay, and do these programs in your copy. Yes, you do it in your copy after opening your when your school will open, I will check it. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.